Are you aware of the scams targeting your devotion for Ayodhya Ram Mandir? As we gear up for the grand inauguration, it's crucial to be on guard against the trickeries that could mar our joyous event. From QR code scams that could rob you of your hard-earned money to fake website scams that could compromise your personal data. We've got 5 major scams to discuss today, so hold on to your seats and brace yourselves. Stay tuned as we delve into these scams one by one. First on our list is the QR code scam. Here, fraudsters circulate messages enticing you to scan QR codes for Ram Mandir donations. But beware, these codes are a trap. They could siphon off your financial details or even trace your whereabouts. The key to staying safe is to always channel your donations through the official avenue specified on the Ram Janmabhoomi Trust website. Remember, never trust a QR code that you did not request. Next, we have the Pran Pratishtha Day Scam. In this cunning scheme, fraudsters circulate WhatsApp messages promising exclusive entry to the Ram Mandir inauguration. These messages often come with APK files claiming to offer special access. But beware, downloading these files can expose you to severe risks, including data theft, identity theft, financial fraud, and even ransomware attacks. It's a dangerous game you don't want to play. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Let's now look at the Laddoos Scam and the VIP entry passes scam. Some sellers on Amazon India claim to offer Ram Mandir ka Prasad in the form of Laddoos. Don't be fooled by such deceptive marketing. Prasad is sacred and should only be obtained from authorized sources in Ayodhya. Simultaneously, beware of VIP entry pass scams circulating on platforms like WhatsApp. No such special privileges exist. Always obtain Prasad from authorized sources, and remember, there are no VIP darshan passes. Finally, we have the fake website scam. This is where underhanded cybercriminals create a counterfeit Twitter handle and website that mimic the official Ram Janmabhoomi Trust. They use stolen images to make the site seem legitimate, luring unsuspecting devotees into their trap. The imitation website ramandirayodhya.in, is a prime example of such scams. To stay safe, always confirm the information through the official trust website and their verified social media channels. Always double-check the website you're on and never give out personal information unless you are certain it is safe. In conclusion, it is crucial to stay informed and safe. The lure of these scams can be strong, but remember, your devotion is a sacred thing not to be exploited. Let's not allow these fraudsters to tarnish the joyous occasion of Ram Mandir's inauguration. If you come across any suspicious activity, don't hesitate to report it. Knowledge is power, and sharing it can protect our community. Share this video with your loved ones to raise awareness. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and Jai Shri Ram.